Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miss Mafrudi.
My name is Solihah Lipi.
My name is Hakimah Saidin.
My name is Asma Asmael.
My name is Farha Hinna.
Is Nurisa Nisa Bahanura.
My name is Aziza Kampuan.
Asma Alfred.
Today we talk about the topic, the public service telephone network. And then the public service telephone network talk about the structure of the telephone system, the politics of telephone and local loop modem, ADSL and fiber, track and multiplexing, and then the last one is switching. The public service telephone network it means the collect of the world circuit switch telephone network have telephone line, fiber optic cable, microwave transmission link, cellular network, communication satellite, and undersea telephone cable. All of this is connected with switching center, make allow most telephones to communicate with each other. Nowadays, with the advance of technology, network have both is analog and digital. Structure of telephone system. The telephone was patented by Graham Bell in the 1876. The beginning, the telephone were sold in pair. Follow the picture A. Fully interconnected network. Between them, Bell also formed the Bell Telephone Company, which opened its first switching office in New Haven, Connecticut in 1878. To make a call, the customer would crank the phone ring in the telephone company office, where the operator manually connecting the caller to caller using a jumper cable. Follow picture B is a centralized switch. And then later, the switching office had to be connected to make a long distance call possible. So second level switching office became necessary. Follow the picture C is a two-level hierarchy, and then unsuccessfully the hierarchy grew to 5 levels.
The politics of the phone public telephone network service 1403 within the LECS area, the most important of which is BOCS. The new feature is that all data traffic is handled by another type of company. IXC AT&T Long Line was originally the only serious IXC, but now there are solid competitors like Verizon and Sprint in the IXC business. One of the concerns in the breakup is ensuring that all IXCs are treated equally in terms of line quality, tariff, and the number of digits that the customer must call to use.
Okay, I wanna present about the local loop include modem, DSL, and fiber. What is local loop? Local loop is the portion of the telephone system that connects your home or office to the nearest central office of your local telco. Local telco is the name of operator. The wiring used in the local loop is usually unshielded tweeted pair or UTP cabling. The transmission method is analog transmission, and the maximum distance from the telco central office to the subscriber customer premises is about 5 kilometers. And in the section we will study the local loop. We will cover telephone, modem, DSL, and fiber to the home. Okay, the first one I learned about telephone modem. In a broad sense, the modem is the communication unit which modulates and demodulates a carrier signal. That is why it is called modem and modulation properties of a carrier signal in accordance with the incoming data signal. The modulator works the opposite way. Actually, any advice with such operating principle, which ensure data transfer between random terminals through a certain communication channel, can be called a modem. However, when we say modem, we usually mean a device which provides communication between computers by means of a telephone line. So, what is the function of a modem? In providing exchange between computers with the help of digital electric pulses, only analog signal can be communicated through a telephone line. A digital signal has two values. One is 0 and 2 is 1 in a general.
Digital subscriber is the most common broadband connection in the home today. By connecting with us and internet go copper wire, so DSL transmit frequency is different, so don't disturb your home phone and can use the same time between telephone and internet. Fiber to the home is a broadband internet technology in the home where fiber optic cable. We recently used ADSL, which is a copper telephone line. Get a full speed of only 9 until 10 megabytes if we switch to fiber to the home by changing from a copper cable to a fiber optic cable with a high speed of 100 megabytes. Uploading is more efficient for faster data transmission.
Trunks and multiplexing. Trunks and multiplexing is a type to use to manage communication between offices and then can handle hundreds or thousands of connecting with multiplexing. Most it will transmission with optical fibers or satellite links.
In fiber optical communication, wavelength diffusion multiplexing (WDM) is a technology which multiplexes a number of optical carrier signals onto a single optical fiber by using different wavelengths of laser light.
I want to present about topic switching. Switch is investment change. Type of switch in computer network have three types. The first one are circuit switching. Yes, the second packet switching, and the last one message switching. Circuit switching in data communication refers to a technique for communicating data from one point to another. Once they are connected, they can stay in touch at any time. Others will not be able to intervene until one side breaks the circuit. Yes, a simple example such as telephone call. When we start talking, others will not be able to intervene until other party put their ear down, disconnect. Yes, see packet switching for comparison. Yes. For second type is packet switching. Packet switching swap data in data communication refer a technique for dividing data into packets, each of which is the same length. Where one line can be used by multiple people. When it arrives the destination, the data will go back together. Okay, and for the last type is a packet switching network. Packet switching network, or PSN. PSN refers to a method of transmitting data in computer network by dividing the data cable into groups and sending them to the destination. Therefore, the data group may go in different directions and do not need to reach the destination in the order in which it is sent. Okay.
For the advantage telephone system, it have a circuit switch network, no transmission delay, it's cheap in price. For disadvantages, telephone network it's used a lot time for connection and then has a low transmission speed. For the application, a telephone network help to connection people, then use advertise product. Then for the last one is use recreate purpose. Already finished our presentation for my group, and then have any question about this, you can comment under below. Inshallah, I will coming to the answer. Yes. Don't forget to follow and then share, subscribe in this video.